They will review every 10 years.
Menteri Ubadai Kmi Ikatanat Puli Putih urakam sangma ne kaski ulakam ba ka yeng bishar Supreme Court kalak banweng no ya ka jingpha kam ka belong prapho na ka shispa ka ba ka jilla Meghalaya ka yo ya ka kabu ban pentrikam na ka benta ki pa riolom ha ka jilla habakren bakila pathai khubor usangma ulakentu yo MLA ka nong krem bat u president jong ka sang Voice of the People Party iba Arden Mela Basayamot ban penkot no ay ka jingsha tngan ka ba klempo opor da ka boong Bakan ni kala penjot ya kalaway jong kikut samla. Ula ongru baka jela menta ka don hapok ka jing isne jong ka yeng bishar Supreme Court da ka ba ulak dawi ya ka jing bishar ka ba husnem khat kandai spa kandai puar ka mukot duma Indira Sani ka ba ong baka jing bha kam de bantam ya ka sanpo na ka shispa.
My friends, my elder brother, Arden Basamut, the president of BPP, is a senior leader. He's like my brother. He's an educated man. He should know the consequence of all this. If anything happen, I think I'm saying today as education minister of the state, because I think with this kind of politics and the drama, I think we are like playing with the fire. This fire will burn everybody, including the BPP, because this drama, this politics will destroy the future of our students.
Ka executive committee jong ka